Hello guys, welcome back once again to my YouTube channel, and today it's another travel vlog. We are a group of 8 people and we are traveling from Bangalore to Mysore and Mysore to Kurg. So it's already 10 o'clock right now, so our plan was to start by 5:30, but there was a issue with the Zoom car which we booked. The car was not starting, then we had to get a mechanic from outside, give a jump start, and finally we are on the way, and we are already late with our schedule. But nevertheless, let's start the journey and I'll see you there in Kurg. So guys, after traveling for nearly 5 hours and around 270 kilometers, so we are just around 30-35 kilometers away from Kurg. So we are in this place called Namdroling Buddhist Monastery. So it's a beautiful monastery here which is built on the heart of this town, and I'll give you a complete view of this Buddhist monastery here in Kodagu district. Let me introduce to my gang. So we are 8 of us who have traveled to Kurg. So Nanda over here, Javed is here, Vibin is here, Sibi and Anish.
Hey.
And we have 2 more people, so I'll introduce them later. Guys, we have reached the Nisargadhama Park over here, so we'll go for boating. And here Keshav is here and Parth is here.
Hello guys.
So you guys are enjoying this trip here in Kurg?
Yes, we are very much enjoying this.
Yes, look at our chief in boat, Sibi, and Javed is also here, and Vibin. So after the boating, we came here in this birds park. So different varieties of birds are here, and just to my surprise, look at this. That is an ostrich behind me. Had a good experience of holding the iguana in his hand. So how was it, bro?
Yeah, it was so nice. First time I just tried holding an iguana, the reptile,
the skin of the reptile was so hard, and I feel so happy and good to hold it for the first time.
Were you scared?
No, I'm not. Actually, I like those kind of reptiles.
Okay, that's nice. And even I tried holding that blue macaw.
Then you tell, how was your experience holding that macaw?
Oh god, it was so like scary. The bird was climbing from my shoulder to my head. It was really
it clipped your
yeah,
can.
it clipped away the tip of my can. Guys, it's 10 p.m. now and literally I'm very tired. And finally we reached our homestay. It's in the middle of the forest and I'll give you all the details, the location of this fantastic property here in the middle of the forest in Kurg. I'm wrapping up. I'll catch you up tomorrow in another vlog. Until then, stay tuned to my channel guys and goodbye for now.